Okay, so you've topped up your wallet with this Nedbank account. You made very sure that your reference is your cell phone number with a 72 in front without a 0 and any spaces, and it's immediate payment. So now you're going to wait for your money to be in your Cellbox. So now you got a message to say it is there. You're going to log into Cellbox. Remember, don't press log in again. You see that blue line? Wait for it. It takes a while. It will open. Okay, I've done some EFTs and I've received payment. So you're going to go on that burger bar, those 3 lines, and you're going to say my vouchers. Now you're going to see the top one says 168. It's because I've already used part of that voucher. And at the bottom it starts with 429. That's the money I received. So I want to put them together with a voucher that I can use tomorrow to go buy groceries. So you're going to scroll to the left. And right next to BCW, there's 3 dots. You're going to click on the 3 dots and you're going to say collapse voucher. That's how easy it is. It says at the top, successful. You will receive a message to say what your number is. There you see the message appear. You can use this voucher number. You can screenshot and use this voucher number if you want to. So yes, so you're going to go to the one shop. You're going to use your 168 code. When you go to the next shop, you have to collapse it again, because you need to get a new voucher number because you already used this one. That's how easy it is. But remember, you have to go log out. To log out, you're going to go on the burger bar. Yeah, at the bottom it says number 2. That little arrow next to it, you're going to press it and you're going to say log out. And that's it.